how does self-care evolve during times of transition? And what self-care practices are particularly beneficial for promoting mental health well-being in the midst of change?
So to my and everybody's luck, we're talking about this on International Yoga Day. And I have been a practitioner of yoga. I can't say I'm a yogi, but I'm a practitioner of yoga since 8 years. And I personally find my peace when I practice yoga. Gym is fine, it's great for people who can go to the gym and will go to the gym. But if you're somebody like me who does not like the gym, who does not want to go against the body, but wants some sort of movement, a movement that is with your body, seek yoga. It gives you so much more than physical fitness. It works on your emotional level, it works on your spiritual level and your physical. So my personal favorite go-to thing to begin taking care of yourself is yoga. The second most favorite thing, which is there in our religion, Hinduism, is where you wake up and you thank God for waking up, where we open our hands and we say, Karagre Vasate Lakshmi, Karmadhye Saraswati, Karmule Tugurani, Prabhate Kardashi. You are grateful to the universe for waking you up. You're grateful to the universe for giving you yet another day to give it another shot, to live. How many people who probably died by accident, unforeseen death, probably their souls wished that they lived. Absolutely. Or died by suicide. Their souls probably wish that they lived. And you, even if you have a mental health label, even if you have a physical health issue, you are given yet another opportunity to live. And that is the biggest blessing, the greatest gift. Because we program our phones for our morning alarms, believing, this is belief, by the way, for atheists, this is belief in something that is either inside of you or out there, that tomorrow morning you're going to wake up. There's no guarantee, but chances are that you will.